All right, now that we have our lights placed right down the middle of our garland, we just want to take and twist every so often just to hold them in place. All right, now I'm just going to take the large roll of mesh and we're going to just come out about 2 feet like that. I'm not measuring, but close enough. And I'm going to the very end down here, and I'm just going to tie this in place with our branches, just like that. Next, I want to do the same thing. I'm going to come out here, bring it out about maybe a foot, foot and a half, and I'm just going to make this bubble right here, and we're going to pump it down, and then we're going to twist it with the branches. And then we're going to continue to do this all the way down. So try to keep your things the same. You can look at them just like that. And just continue to use your branches to hold it in place. Now that we're at our end, we're going to just leave about 2 feet off on the end of our mesh again. See, y'all? I do have a lot of little helpers. Hi, Leslie. Hi, guys. All right, we're going to start with some burlap mesh. And I want to come out to maybe 10 inches to a foot. I'm not really measuring, guys. I'm going to do one of those. Next, I want to get this pink ribbon. I'm going to do about a foot. Again, I'm not really measuring. I'm going to do the one, and then I will come back and make sure the rest are the same. I'm going to get a different pink and I'll lay it right over the top so we're the same measurement there and cut off of that. Now we want to get that burlap mesh again. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to squish it just like this. And then I want to take the plain pink, and then I'm going to take the pattern pink and squish them right in the middle. Make sure that you have them equal on both sides. Then we'll get some floral wire. We're going to just twist them together. Gonna pop them out. And then we'll puff all of these once they're in our garland more. But that's what we're looking for. All right, now that we have our mesh done, I'm gonna take our little ribbon and burlap piece that we made. I've got 6 of these, and we're gonna put them in our little indentation here, just like that. And we're gonna go every other one. So we're gonna put another one right here. One thing I always like to do on these plastic ornaments, I like to pop the top off and put you a little bit of glue right on the top, because these little things like to come off, especially when you put things together with them. You want to do this with all your bulbs if you can. I'm going to take about 1.5 feet of floral wire, and I'm just going to start threading through our bulbs. You want to do some different sizes if you can, and do a cluster of them in different colors as well, of about anywhere from 3 to 5. I like odd numbers when I'm decorating. All right, now we're just going to take them and twist them together, and now you have a nice cluster. All right, now that our bows are all in place, now we want to go back with our cluster that we made. I did 2 different ones. I did a set of 5 and a set of 3, and we're going to alternate them as we go down. We're going to do a set of 5, set of 3, set of 5. Now you can take and fluff your ribbons. You can take them and twirl them around your finger if you want a little curl, if you want to just bump it out and do. All of this is just however you want to do it. Here we go, guys. Some people like to add more to it, but I like the look of more of a simple look. Y'all, I love how this turned out. It's going to go with my pink tree perfectly.